Okay, guys, so I know you will think that I'm weird and crazy and all that stuff, but I don't care. I got slime from Peachybabbies. And yes, that is a weird name. Don't ask me why they named me that, because I don't know. But I got the mint froggy frappe, something like that. But yeah, it's supposed to smell like mint chocolate chip ice cream or mint chip ice cream, whatever. And then oh my god, that's so cute. Wait, look at that. And does it smell like it? Oh my god. Oh my god, that smells insane. And just to let you know, this is like my first time getting the slime and opening this slime, so I did not touch it again. So let's dig in. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, this is actually insane. It's like a cloud. It's very stretchy. Holy moly. This is literally the best slime I have ever had. It's nice and soft and cloudy. It does kind of get your hands a little dirty, but that's like the best part of it. And it smells really good. It's so stretchy and like fluffy. It's actually crazy. And all these charms are like really cute and stuff. But anyways, and I like how it has like that nice like crunch texture, but not like crunchy, but just like a little texture to it. And it's like a cloud, so like that literally looks like a cloud. I'm obsessed. This is the best slime. Oh my god. Okay, but anyways, if you want to go get your slime, go to peachybabbies.com and get your slime right now.